Hello, and welcome to this video discussing the concept of Boolean operators and phrase searching. This video is part of the Clarkson University Library's research series and will help you find articles to use for your research. Boolean operators are used to combine keywords and search terms in a database. They can help to expand or narrow a search and to find more relevant results. The three Boolean operators are and, or, and not. When using Boolean operators in a database, it is important to use capital letters to distinguish them from keywords. Use and in your search to narrow your results and to tell the database that all search terms must be present in the results. Use or in your search to expand your results and to tell the database that any of your search terms can be present in the results. Use not in your search to exclude words from the search and therefore narrow your results by telling the database to ignore concepts that may be implied by your search terms. Databases typically recognize and as the first order of operations. If you want to include and or in your search, you can group the ors together using parentheses. When searching in a database, you can enclose phrases and proper names with quotation marks to phrase search. Adding quotations keeps the words together to ensure that the database searches for them together and not as individual words. Let's do a quick search to put into practice our keyword searching, Boolean operators, and phrase searching. I'm going to go to the library website to find a database to use. You can type in clarkson.edu/library to get to the main page, or at any of the bottom of the pages on the Clarkson University website, you'll see the university libraries. That will take you to the same place as well. Once on the home page, we will navigate to Research Tools and Collections, and then Databases by Subject. You can also find an A to Z list of all the databases. From here, I'm going to scroll to General Information Databases and choose Science Direct. Science Direct has full text articles and ebooks that cover a variety of sciences. In the search box, we will use our keywords from our first video, turning research questions into keywords, along with Boolean operators and phrase searching. I will place assistive technology in quotations to show that I want articles with those terms together, and then connect my search terms using and. I took our three keywords, assistive technology, independent living, and older adults, and put each into quotation marks to show the database that I want it to find those words together. I also connected those with the Boolean operator and to indicate that I wanted all of those keywords in any of the results. All right, so we'll run the search. And as you can see, this brings up some relevant results that include all of our search terms. So the first few look like they might be really useful. We have the role of assistive technology in enabling older adults to achieve independent living, past and future. So that kind of encompasses the three keywords that we're looking for. We have older adults, assistive technology, and independent living right in the title for this one. The second one, we have digital assistive technologies to support community dwelling older adults, an interpretive synthesis of experience benefits and harms. So that one also most likely has kind of these keywords and concepts that we're thinking about within the article. As you can see, you can scroll through the results and see which ones might be most relevant to you. You can also play around with your keywords and see what those results look like. I could substitute senior for older adults. an assistive device for assistive technology and see what those results are. You'll see that while some results may be the types of articles you are looking for, trying different keyword combinations will result in different articles. So you'll see that the top two aren't the same as the ones that we just ran. It is worth the time to try combinations and see which works best for you and the question you're trying to answer. You also want to try your keywords and search strings in different databases to see which provide the best or most relevant results. You can get a more comprehensive list of the databases that we have at Clarkson on the website, both by subject and listed from A to Z. Thank you for watching this installment of the Clarkson University Library's Research Series videos.